So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. This is how to make $2,000 a week driving for Uber. So this is on our Facebook group. This guy, look at this. He made $561 in a single day.
That's crazy.
So I did the math, and if you simply drive 4 days, that's, what's 6 times 4? 24?
Yeah.
So if you drive 4 days, that's, did I do that right? Yeah, $2,200 in a month. So you only have to drive 4 days a week.
And this guy drove under 12 hours that day.
Yeah, only 11 hours and 40 minutes. Did 31 trips though.
That's a lot.
Oh, he hit a promotion though. So
okay.
He hit a $300 promotion. So it might not be okay. His earnings were like, is that 261?
No, that says
561.
That says 561, right?
Yeah. So basically, what he did is he hit the Uber bonus. So I guess you can't do that every day, but if you did this 6 days a week, you could hit it. But yeah, guys.
Yeah, but even the bonus, that's still a decent amount. It's like over $200.
Oh yeah,
$260.
261. That's almost $100,000 a year. If you drive every day. That's a lot, 11 hours of driving a day. But anyways, his name, shout out to him, Leland Gradney. He's an actor and writer in Italy? No, I don't know. But, Dallas, Fort Worth, he's in Texas. Most I've ever done in a single day. Needed it since Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas was essentially frozen midweek on an 80-trip quest this weekend. Time to go back to work, son. So Cole says you make good tips. Shatavia says that's horrible. Levi says great job. I'm impressed with $61 in tips. Rock on. Guys, join our Facebook group if you want. We like have this stuff every single day. Looks like you got the diamond bonus. Yeah, so he's going to use the money to buy eggs, which is nice. But there is an egg shortage. There's an egg shortage right now. Did you know about that?
I did know about that.
Yeah, like you got to go to Trader Joe's or else like at Vaughn's, the cheapest is
Costco.
like Costco. I paid like I didn't pay this, but I went to Target and the cheapest eggs they had was like $8.50 for a dozen.
Oh wow.
That was the cheapest. Yeah, and I was like this is almost $1 per egg.
I get mine for free. I have some chickens at home.
Oh, you hatch them? Or you roost them?
Yeah.
You breed chickens?
Yeah.
But you still have to factor in your time, like for, like, feeding them and stuff, right?
I guess so. Yeah.
Well, you got to pay for their food. How many eggs do they lay per day?
Usually like 2 or 3.
Every single day you just wake up and they got 2 more and you just eat them?
Yeah.
Do you ever crack it and there's a little like bird inside?
No, but I've seen that happen to people.
Ew. Oh, have you ever cracked an egg and it's a twins?
Like 2 yolks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've gotten that too. So yeah, this guy earned $500 in 12 hours. So
wow.
It's definitely possible. But yeah, guys, this is how if you want to do $2,000 a week, you gotta drive like this guy, 11 hours a day for like 5 days a week.
Yeah, it seems like there's a lot of people that do that.
Yeah. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.